What's going on, y'all? What's going on? In a few positions right now, I'm going to be looking for a couple more. We had New Zealand news last night, as we see, push price to the upside. Huge push to the upside. Me and Nerds, we took a nice GA buy last night. We just hit the final TP on GA. We're going to see if we can keep on pushing. We're going to break that down in a second as well. GJ is also pushing up nicely. Look, I'm missing. I need to put a level. I forgot to add a level there. You already know the drill, though. You guys got any questions up in the chat? We're looking at any charts up in the chat. Just dropped a new video yesterday as well. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check that out. But to drop that in the chat right now for y'all. I was looking for buys here yesterday. That might change though. Looks like we're having some retracements take place. We are still bullish, but the price broke below this level at around 38,230, so we could see retracements head back down to 38,800. Now, if it holds that level of support, we could see price possibly push back up. But we're just gonna let price do this thing right now. Those just join the stream. We're only in one position right now. We're in this GA position. I took a GJ position on my own, but as far as the members, we took this GA position last night. We just hit the final TP like right before we started the live. I can show that signal in a little bit, but yeah, we're just chilling in this one. So if price can continue to hold 94.35 as support, we can look for continued buys going to 94.75 and possibly even 95.10, 95.15. As far as news today, we only got one news event at 8:30. We got a USD news event as far as high impact news goes. And then that's pretty much it for today. Levels I'm looking at on GJ. It's the same ones from yesterday. So we have the support level at 90.55, and we still got this resistance level at 90. If price can break 99, you treat as support. We can look for continued buys going to 91.25, 91.30. So that's what we're looking at right now as far as GJ. As you can see, it's still kind of struggling to break past that level. Those just joining the stream, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on the screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. Well, identifying the trend is the daily time frame. What others? I use the daily time frame. And what time frame do you usually take your entries on? I'm 15 right now. So I usually take my entries on the 15-minute time frame. You watch any of my trade breakdowns on YouTube, and I break all that stuff down step by step. You see one of my trade breakdowns, you'll hear me say the same thing. You identify the trend on the daily, mark off key price levels, intra support resistance. They go on a smaller time frame to do so. We got a new 15, new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Those just joining the stream, we're only in a couple positions right now. In this GA position, GJ is also pushing slowly. Didn't take any New Zealand positions because we had news last night, like we saw about yesterday, and then we could see in New Zealand pairs that the news caused price to just spike to the upside. A lot of stuff going as projected from the Sunday chart analysis as well. So if you guys haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check that out. First link in the description. Again, it's not just what we see price doing Sunday and Monday, is what we see price doing throughout the entire week. But as far as how we're doing so far this week, this is how we started off the week on Monday. Took an SPX500 TP3 got hit, caught 1,100 pips. Then yesterday we took a gold buy, TP1 got hit, then SL got hit, and then last night we just took this GA buy, all TPs got hit. We're nice and blue on this position right here. I can show the signal. Again, this is an old signal. Nobody take this trade. It already played out. All right. This was the signal we took last night. This is the New York price watch list. Then I told them last night, 8:35 p.m. EST, I was like, New Zealand news caused a huge spike. We'll be looking for possible JPY AUD buys. And then about an hour later, we went for a GA buy. All TPs got hit. And then also, GJ started to go as projected as well. From after I posted that video, price was shooting up with GJ as well. It just started the retracement just now. So that's what we're doing so far this week. As far as how we're doing so far this month, let's go back into the free Telegram. This is how we did last week. Last week we went 5-0, catching 15,252 pips. Monday we caught 45 pips. Tuesday 147. Wednesday 15,060. The Thursday and Friday took 0 trades. Then the week before that we went 5-0, caught 7,291 pips. Then the week before that we went 6-1, caught 444. That's how we're doing so far this month. Now, my last month, just like you see on your screen, we went 20-0, took 0 losses last month, caught 37,620 pips. The click right here is going to take the beginning of the month. Again, we draw the Sunday chart analysis beginning of every week. All that good stuff. And we're going to go over how we did last quarter in a second. So, yeah, we're just chilling right now. New 15 just popped up. Gold still just kind of in range. We took a gold buy. We hit TP1. Hit TP1 twice. Failed to break past TP1. Rejected down. So, it's basically just been chilling this level all week. Just been ranging right here. So, we're just going to leave that alone for right now. No, it's not just the daily. And yeah, like I said, I only take trades on the 15. I don't take trades on the 15. I don't really go on the 5-minute like that. Only time I really go on the 5 is like if I'm on MT4, MT5 on my phone. But everything y'all see me do on the live stream, that's literally how I be looking for my setups and all that good stuff. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way, TikTok's _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. Make sure to check that content out on there. Also, make sure to explore the YouTube channel. Y'all know how YouTube works. Check out the playlist. If you're not subbed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Just dropped a new video yesterday. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. I'm about to drop the link in the chat. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling right now. In GA, that's where retracement's going on. We're looking for a possible another position. We're still going to be looking for buys. I've been pushing up all day and all week, really. Got this entire daily candlestick. Got this nice pivot to the upside. About to see if we can break these higher highs either today or this week. Looking at some other charts for other setups as well. We're just waiting for our confirmations right now. Yeah, it looks like US30 is taking a little drop. Even if I wanted to enter, would have missed the entry anyways because it started taking off 2 hours ago. Like I said, if it can continue to hold 38.30, 38.930, excuse me, as resistance, we can look for it to head down to 38.780. That's probably what it's going to do. Yeah, we've been bullish for a while. We're still bullish. So we're going to wait to see either retrace back up to here or we're going to wait to see how it reacts to this level right here. And then we're going to go from there. Yeah, but we got a lot of charts just retracing right now. GJ's retracing back down. Ian's kind of just chilling on this level right here. And GA just broke a level as well. We're going to see what this next 5 and 15 looks like. And don't tell me we're about to have a repeat of what you call it yesterday. That's okay. You guys got any questions? Drop them. Let me know we back, y'all. This is the second time this has happened. It might be time for the computer. Having these issues one day or that week. That was like the second time I did this yesterday too. So I'm not sure. I want to check out my stuff in a second after the stream. But let me know if y'all can hear me if we're back up. That's happening. I'm gonna check to see what's going on. Either if it's my Wi-Fi bugging out or if it's my computer. But we're back to business. But yeah, basically what I was talking about before my thing crashed. Prices just retracing on a lot of these pairs. Let's go ahead and put these charts back up. Take a look at what's taking place. We had some decent moves happen to take place last night during Tokyo session. Some was partly because of the news event. Like, for example, we had Australian and New Zealand news last night. We had Australian news at 7:30 last night, and we had 30 minutes after that at 8 o'clock New Zealand news. And as you can see, pretty much all night, prices been just moving up nicely. So a new session starts. Now we got some retracements. We're still going to be looking for some setups here, but again, we got to wait to see if they can hold these levels they just broke, or they're going to try to do some retracements and chill for a little bit. So that's what we're really watching and pay attention to right now. So we'll put these charts back up if we do this. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We'll put charts up in the chat. Yeah, it looks like G just rejected it as well. Yeah, so we just see a bunch of see what gold's up to. Might restart my Wi-Fi after this stream too. I haven't done that in a minute either. So right now with GA, we're watching to see if it can hold this low support still. Yeah, we're back. We're back. We'll just join this trade. We haven't taken any new positions. We took this position last night with the members. As y'all know, we trade Tokyo, London, and New York session. Tokyo session exclusively with the members. And of course, we're live right now during London session. Looking for a couple more setups, but right now we just got a bunch of charts for retracing. New 15 did just pop up, so we'll see if got any questions. Drop in the chat. We'll give you charts drop in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, so we'll see this kind of chilling here since this was the news event at 8 o'clock. after that news event. Price has just been chilling at this level. It's still holding at support, which is a good sign. We're going to be looking at a possible buy setup here. Kind of just wait for volume to kick up. As you can see, price has just been chilling at these levels. Same thing with GA. Ever since it hit this level, this was around like 11 o'clock. EST has just been chilling here. It broke above it, but it's just been chilling at this price point for the past few hours. We're just waiting for some volume to kick in. Again, we don't have anything crazy going on today besides one news event. Compared to yesterday, we had a bunch of news popping off. A lot cleaner, a whole lot less red than yesterday. But tomorrow, things kind of go back to normal. It was like a regular Thursday or Friday. So again, we're looking at possible GJ buys. GJ just went right back down to this level. So again, it's holding this level as support. So if we hold this level of support, we're going to look for buys going from 90.55 to possibly 90.90. But all this week, as we can see, besides Monday, when it initially put this level, it's been struggling to hold and stay above 90.95 as a support level. So that's the next thing we're going to need to see happen for price to continue to push up, or for the uptrend to continue. Because again, when we look at price, we're still bullish. We've just been chilling at this daily level for the past 2 days. After, of course, we pumped up for like 4 days straight. So we want to see the higher high come into play today and tomorrow. So that's what we're watching right now. But again, price has just been struggling volume-wise. We can tell because, again, the price took this move yesterday during New York. Candlesticks got immediately smaller and then again struggled to break this level just like last time. So that's what we're really waiting on right now. And then like with some of the gold's just kind of been just ranging for the past few weeks. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. We'll just join the stream. Make sure that first link in the description is on the free signal from Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We just went over how we're doing so far this month and last month. We went over all that good stuff. When you scroll to January 4th, you'll see how we did last quarter. Boom. All right, so this is how we did January. We went 20-0. Where's it at here, dude? The last quarter, this is how we did. When you scroll to January 4th, you'll see that right here. October, we went 32-5. November, we went 22-1. December, we went 22-1 again. October, we caught 157,608 pips. November, we caught 58,068. And then December, we caught 24,481 pips. In the quarter, 76-7, giving us a 96% win rate. And then catching a total of 240,157 pips. 207,561 of those strictly with the members in the advanced play signal. And you click right here, it's going to take you to the quarter, which you see right here is October 1st. Every trade posted has the date, time the trade was entered, personal entry, SL, TPs, time people view enter the trade, reactions, TPs, all that good stuff. I do the recap the day at the end of every day. We recap the week at the end of every week, as well as the recap the month at the end of every month. All wins are posted, losses are posted. TPs, how many pips was caught, all that good stuff's posted. As you can see, screenshots of positions, as well as screenshots of the signals, results, testimonials. You can see all this stuff for yourselves. You click right here, you go to photos, you got over 1,000 photos of just receipts on receipts from student results, screenshots of trades, positions, more student results. Screenshots of signals, more student results, more screenshots. Y'all can just explore all this stuff, check it out yourselves, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're just chilling right now. Again, price since we've been live hasn't really changed. We're at 340. This was 3 o'clock candlestick, price pushed up, it immediately shot back down. It's not like the price has really just been chilling in place this entire live stream. Right? So nothing really crazy going on right now. Just waiting for some volume to kick in. And then mainly members are currently in this GA trade. We just hit the final TP right before we went live. And we're looking at possible BJ and GN buys right now. Just waiting for the confirmation. Got do 15 about to pop up. Yeah, that's about NDX. We can take a look at that. So the NDX, we were bullish. Like I said, I just dropped a video on Instagram just talking about how I don't make my decision solely off the smaller time frame. Now we are bullish, so I would be still looking for buys. So we do have a key right here. So we're currently showing at this level at around 17 NDX. So let's just go on my NAS. I'm tripping. I don't know why I just made it back up. This was a lot cleaner, but the price was just same. So we're just gonna be on my NAS. So we're still bullish on this. Now it looks a little bit different. But we have a support level at 17,890. That's still been respected as support. So we can still provide the price can continue to hold as support. But what price is struggling to do is to hold 17,960, 17,970 as support. It's broken above it a few times, but as you can see, it's struggling to really hold it as support. So what we need is price to hold that support. But I'm still looking for buys as of now. Now, price was right below 17,880 and hold as resistance. Then we can see possible sells going down to 17,800. But I'm still looking for buys as of right now. That doesn't mean I'm just going to enter buys. I still got to, wait for my confirmations and stuff like that. But as far as if I'm going to go for buys or sells, I'd still rather let you go for buys. But yeah, as we can see, the price is kind of just chilling, just doing retracements and retests. So nothing to really do right now. Appreciate you, dude. Appreciate it. No problem. Make sure that like button too when y'all hop in here. If you're not subbed yet, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,200 subscribers. You can get that easily this week. You guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop in the chat. Those that join the stream, we're only in one position right now. It's GA buy. Looking at a couple more positions, just waiting for the confirmations. Remember, we took this last night. All TVs just got hit like literally right before we went live. Again, this is the trade's already played out, so what I'm saying, it's already played out. But last night, I told the members after the New Zealand news that we're going to look for possible JPY Australian buys, and then an hour later, we went for a GA buy. You see the entry into the 94.05. You see the SL, TPs, all that good stuff. Final TP just got hit, so now we're just chilling in profit. Might see who's going to hold this level of support, or who's going to reject the level. And it was looking at a couple other possible setups, but prices just, as we see, just kind of dead or retracing right now. But there's some decent news, especially with the help of the news last night, though. So not too shocking. But we're just patiently waiting right now. Got a couple minutes, two new 5-minute pops up. About to see if anything changes. But yeah, literally, again, the reason I keep pointing out is just to put things into perspective. Prices have just been chilling here so far the entire live. Again, we're looking for buys. Price is still holding low as support. We're waiting to see if one is ready to, make the next move. But right now, it's just kind of just chilling on it. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. Any charts, drop in the chat. Yeah, it looks like these other charts are still rejecting or retracing to the downside. GA is still holding this level though. Let's see what this next 5-minute looks like. All right, so gold just hit this level, so now we're going to see how it reacts right here. Again, if we can continue to hold this level of support, we could look for a buy setup right back to 2036. That's what took place yesterday when price rejected this level. Now, if risk below this level at 2026, 2025 starts holding as resistance, the price could retrace and continue down to around 2018. So now we're going to see how it reacts here. But yeah, we just have a lot of retracing going on right now with a lot of charts. GA still holding this level right here, though. Shout out everybody in the live. Shout out everybody that's been here since the beginning. Shout out everybody that's been here since joined. Yeah, nothing really crazy happened this live. It is what doesn't happen. Some lives are more interesting for the chart. I think like Monday or last week, we had a lot more action during London session. But again, the action took place off the screen last night during as well as New York session. It was like GA still about to try to pick something. I'm still watching GA and India. We're going to pay attention to gold. See how that's this move right here. Members, you already know in a few hours. I'm going to be back to watch these videos. Look out for that. We're not going to be going live for today's session. We're probably going to be going live for tomorrow's. I'll let y'all know. You guys want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way, or y'all can DM me on Telegram. I respond to all messages. Still going to be on the charts. You want to see what this next hour looks like and how price is looking before New York session. Again, we do have a New York news event at 8:30 today, right at the beginning. So be on the lookout for that. And make sure to catch up to the content on YouTube. Just dropped the video yesterday. Check out the playlist. The playlists are updated as well. And yeah, we're going to be back at it at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.